Impact of Iran war, a new stress test for Bangladesh RMG industry. The Iran conflict and wider Middle East instability are creating new pressure on Bangladesh's garment industry, exposing deep structural vulnerabilities in the sector. Bangladesh's RMG industry depends heavily on imported energy, raw materials, logistics, and global demand, all of which are now under strain. Rising oil prices linked to the Strait of Hormuz disruption are increasing costs across electricity, transport, dyeing, and export operations. The DCCI has warned that this could hurt export competitiveness. Freight markets are also under pressure, with shipping rerouted, insurance costs rising, transit times lengthening, and air freight use increasing. These delays can lead to cancelled orders and lost buyers in fast fashion supply chains. At the same time, raw material prices, including cotton, yarn, polyester, and dyes, have increased by around 10 to 15% since the escalation. However, buyers are reluctant to raise FOB prices, squeezing factory margins farther. Beyond costs, higher global fuel prices are fueling inflation in Western markets, which may weaken consumer demand. With over 80% of Bangladesh's export earnings coming from garments, this creates a major risk for the sector. But the impact goes beyond short term price pressure. The crisis highlights deeper weaknesses such as energy import dependence, low value addition, and fragile supply chains. It also signals a shift in global sourcing priorities, where buyers now value political stability, resilience, and logistics security alongside cost. Similar pressures are already visible in other textile hubs like India, showing this is a global shift in apparel trade. The Iran crisis is a warning that Bangladesh's garment industry must prepare for a more unstable global environment where survival depends on resilience, diversification, and structural change.